Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Janae Mickles. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I put on this wig from Arabella Hair. So as you guys can see, my wig cap is already on, and I was just taking some alcohol and just removing any excess oils from my forehead. So to prep for the wig, I am using some makeup on the wig cap that kind of matches my skin tone. And now I'm going to hot comb the hair back just so it's not in my way, and I'm using a razor to cut off the lace. So this wig has HD lace, which is honestly the best lace because it looks so realistic, and you can tint it to whatever color that you need it to be. For glue, I'm using the bold hold, and I did do 3 layers of this. I always start off in the middle and then I work my way to the sides. And also guys, I did dye this hair. I used a box dye, so if you guys want to see how I did that, just let me know and I might do that on my next wig.
It's hard to tell on the surface, but I think you know I'm the one. Just pray and pray I don't curse it. Goddamn. Typically, that'd be my luck. Don't you know it's all for you? Don't you know it's all for you? It's all for you. Every breath I take for you. Every breath I take for you. Don't you know I like it too? Don't you know that I like it too? We can share your pillow while we talk about.
So after that, I did put a wrap strip on the wig just to melt the lace a little bit more.
I'm a dreamer, baby, know just when to let go, but you'll hold me till I sleep. Don't you know it's all for you? Don't you know?
And now I'm pulling small amounts of hair from around the hairline, and I'm hot combing that down. And then I'm cutting the hair with the razor, and I'm using my Nairobi foam to lay the baby hairs in place with the edge brush.
It's all for you. Don't you know it's all for you? Every breath I take for you. I'm brave, this baby. Don't you know I like it too? Don't you know? Don't you know? Don't you know it's all for you? Don't you know it's all for you? Every breath I take for you. I'm brave, this baby. Don't you know I like it too? Don't you know that I like it too? 'Cause I'll be here when you wake up tomorrow. When you wake up tomorrow, let's get things clear. I'll still be yours tomorrow. I'll still be yours tomorrow. Don't you know it's all for you? 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 Every breath I take for you. Every breath I take for you. Don't you know I like it too? Ooh, yeah. Don't you know it's all for you? Don't you know it's all for you? Every breath I take for you. Don't you know I like it too?
So just like before, I'm going to take a wrap and just put that on my hair for about 10 to 15 minutes just to make sure everything is nice and laid into place. All right, makeup is done. Now I'm making a part in the middle and using my hot comb from Target on 500 degrees just to make sure my hair is super sleek, because I am doing a middle part and I want it to be like laid. So I'm making sure that that hair is super sleek and flat to my head. So now I'm just taking some shears and cutting some face frame layers into my hair. And I also did cut the wig in length. So this wig did come to me in 16-inch, but I did cut it shorter. So I'm using some of this oil that I got from Ulta. I just talked about it in my last vlog, and I'm just going to use it on this wig to give it some shine before I style it. I'm just putting that all over my hair, and I'll link that down below for you guys. Now I'm taking my 1-inch iron, and I have it on 450, and I'm just doing flips all around my hair. So I'm going to do one side first, and then the other side was off camera. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, this hair is from Arabella. I will leave all the links down below. And again, if you guys want to see how I got this color, which is like a nice brown chocolate color, let me know and I'll include it in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next one.